Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review that could change the way you approach cleaning in your home. We found the Dreame L10s Pro Ultra Heat Robot Vacuum and Mop, and we've included a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's dive into what the Dreame L10s Pro really is. This innovative device combines the functionality of a powerful vacuum cleaner with an efficient mop, making it a two-in-one cleaning solution. With its impressive specs and smart technology, this robot vacuum is designed to tackle the toughest messes in your home while giving you more time to enjoy your life. One of the standout features of this robot vacuum is its MopExtend Technology, which enhances edge cleaning. It utilizes advanced edge recognition to detect corners and baseboards, allowing the mop to extend and retract as needed. This means it can pick up those pesky crumbs and dirt that often get overlooked, resulting in a thorough clean from wall to wall. Next up is the impressive 7,000 pascal suction power. This level of suction mastery is exceptional, ensuring that it can transition seamlessly from hard floors to carpets. Whether you have pet hair, dust, or stubborn debris stuck in those nooks and crannies, the Dreame L10s Pro is capable of handling it all with ease. Another significant feature is its self-cleaning capability. Using 136 degrees Fahrenheit hot water, the robot can effectively clean its mops after every use, which is a game changer for those who dread the maintenance that comes with traditional mopping. It even dries the mops using hot air, ensuring that they're ready for the next cleaning session without any fuss. The Dreame L10s Pro doesn't stop there. It also boasts a remarkable ability to identify how dirty the floors are, allowing it to mop them twice for that extra level of cleanliness. This advanced dirt detection technology ensures that no dirty spot is left behind, giving you a sparkling clean home. For those concerned about obstacles in their living space, this robot features smart obstacle avoidance technology. It can recognize and avoid over 55 different types of objects, including shoes, cables, and furniture, thanks to its 3D structured light system. This means you can set it to clean without worrying about it getting stuck or causing any damage. So, who is the Dreame L10s Pro suitable for? If you're busy with work or family commitments and find it challenging to keep your home clean, this robot vacuum and mop is perfect for you. It's also great for pet owners who need to deal with constant shedding and dirt brought in from outside. And if you have a large home with various floor types, this device can adapt quickly to meet your cleaning needs. In terms of practical use cases, imagine coming home to a clean house after a long day at work. You can simply set the vacuum to clean while you're out, and when you return, the floors are spotless. You can also schedule cleaning sessions during the night, giving you the freedom to enjoy your day without worrying about chores. In conclusion, the Dreame L10s Pro Ultra Heat Robot Vacuum and Mop is an impressive cleaning device that combines advanced technology with powerful performance. If you're looking for a way to simplify your cleaning routine while ensuring a thorough clean, this could be the solution for you. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.